Hi, nice to meet you. Today we would like to introduce PowerSuite, which is a travel management system specifically for Australian and New Zealand agents. It is an ERP solution, which could stand for Easy, Robust and Proven. Here it is, PowerSuite, which is the right travel management system to unleash your business growth now and into the future. PowerSuite is a turnkey cloud-based travel management system to empower your success. We aim to transform your travel business in 3 key areas. First, to automate your operations to maximize revenue. Second, enable you to get real-time business insights to help you to make the right business decision. Last but not least, we help you to enhance customer service in order to foster customer loyalty and increase your customers' lifetime value. How can we do that? Why do you need to adopt PowerSuite? Here we provide some answers for you. By using PowerSuite, you will benefit from our 8 star values. Excited to know more? Let me elaborate the value one by one. PowerSuite is a cloud-based software as a service. You can log in anytime, anywhere, which means you can reduce your capital and operational expenditure and support your business growth plan. We've hosted PowerSuite in Microsoft, which is a trusted cloud-based platform for 95% of Fortune 500 companies. It offers data backup and disaster recovery to ensure your data is always safe. PowerSuite comes with industry standard compliance that we have achieved. The first refers to PCI DSS compliance that guarantees credit card data is securely protected. Secondly, we refer to data privacy that the program design fulfills by the PDPA requirements of Singapore and Malaysia. In 2020, we will be GDPR compliant to further protect the data privacy according to the European Union regulations. PowerSuite also implements tight controls in user access rights settings that allow only authorized users to access applicable data and profiles. The automation engine contains settings which improve your efficiency and maximize revenues throughout the end-to-end booking fulfillment process. The automation engine covers service fee, order, invoice, settlement, refund application, and back-office accounting. The service fee setting in profiles enables you to provide fast and accurate price quotes to customers. Daily journal batch can be scheduled and exported to popular accounting systems such as MYOB and Xero. You can put more focus on customer servicing instead of spending time in repeated document issuance. PowerSuite is tightly integrated with Sabre 360. You can operate PowerSuite in Red App mode. Once you've signed into Sabre 360, the system will auto-sign you into PowerSuite. You can open the PowerSuite app side by side with Sabre Host to select the customer information required and then upload to the Sabre PNR. Once the PNR is created, a booking folder will also be automatically created. Seamless Sabre PNR and booking folder creation improves your operations efficiency and ensures data quality. We understand there are a number of agents using Sabre profiles in daily booking creation. Good news to you that we've integrated with Sabre profiles for two-way data synchronization. For corporate customers, travel policy can be configured. Even if your dedicated corporate servicing colleague is on holiday, the system will do it for you to ensure each individual trip is tracked and compliant with company policy. User-friendly and workflow-driven design can save the training costs and enable new colleagues to deliver up-to-speed service. It is simple to make travel management a breeze. First, the agent is required to determine if the booking type is either leisure or corporate, after which the system will drive you to the different workflow. You can add in your various service types such as hotel, land, transfer, train, cruise, insurance, to compose comprehensive itineraries, quotes, and other client documentation under a controlled workflow. A customer payment plan is essential for ensuring leisure customers make payment on time. Deadlines will be shown in client documents and on the task management module. Let's look at the task management module. It helps to ease booking and deadline management. All outstanding booking folders are listed and you can easily locate the outstanding receipt, payment or invoice. Deadline reminders list all the deadlines that you need to meet. All the deadlines can be viewed by either individual user or by team. You are no longer required to run the report daily to clear the outstanding items one by one. Besides this, you can also assign the tasks or link with the booking and P&R via the My Task module to keep track that the task is completed on time. We provide interactive sales dashboards to offer real-time business data for KPI tracking. You can keep track of top customers, airlines, services, daily or monthly sales performance with just one click. Want to do more in-depth analysis? You just need to export the data in Excel with the transactions listed. Travel consultant dashboards enable individual colleagues to keep track of the productivity and tasks. It helps with better time management, resource allocation, and keeps track of monthly goals. Whether right and responsive business decisions can be made is subject to data analysis. PowerSuite provides comprehensive reporting. There are over 100 reports built to fulfill operations, sales, accounting and management requirements, and view those reports in PDF, Excel, Word, or even direct email to your colleagues. If you require to keep track of the reports daily, you can set the scheduled delivery for a particular report. That way, the report will appear in your mailbox according to your schedule. In order to smoothen the system conversion process, we provide implementation consultancy to assist agents in system change management with step-by-step guidance. Our professional help desk and live chat support ensure agents can get adequate customer support after go live. Our e-learning centre enables users to get familiar with all functionalities at their own pace online. All in all, you can get all 8-star values to transform your travel business, unleash your business growth now and into the future. Are you ready for PowerSuite? Get in touch with us if you want to have a one-on-one solution demo or you want to subscribe to our solution. Alternatively, you can go to the website www.anz.powersuitecloud.com for further details.